Hello everyone, it's Dale here. In this video I want to show you my best trade from this week. It was a trade on the Euro Japanese yen. I got over 200 pips on this trade. So let me show you from A to Z how this trade went. What you see before you, this is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. And this is a daily chart of the Euro Japanese yen. This trade was a swing trade and I trade my swing trades on the daily chart, so that's why we are looking at the daily chart now. And let me start with the reasoning behind this trading level that I took. On the Euro Japanese yen, there was a rather strong uptrend here. But after that, after this formed, it looked like this uptrend could be over. There were a couple of signals that the uptrend could be ending. The first signal, if you look in this area, this is when I was doing my analysis, the volumes in this area were shaped like a letter B. That's a B-shaped volume profile. When you see this, when you see a B-shaped volume profile after an uptrend, that could mean two things. Either uptrend stopped and now the market will rotate, or uptrend stopped and now the price will go down, right? This is what the B-shaped volume profile after an uptrend tells us. So that was the first reason why I was okay to start looking for short trades. A second reason was, let me zoom this a bit, there was a huge bearish fair value gap in here. This big candle forming the gap, this was the gap, fair value gap, that's from Smart Money Concepts. And when you have a bearish gap after an uptrend, it again tells you that the uptrend could be over because bearish gap signals aggressive sellers, right? So that's why I was quite okay to start looking for shorts because I thought that the uptrend was temporarily over. So what I found was this heavy volume cluster, those volumes, formed mostly in this place. If I move the profile like this, you can see that the volumes here are still visible here. At the beginning of that heavy volume zone is right here. That's my short level. That's this red line here at 184.78. So when this heavy volume zone formed, followed by that fair value gap here, I waited for the pullback and went short from this level. Initially, the price went quite against me, which was a bit frustrating, but you know, when you are swing trading, you just need to be patient. And after that, boom, you can see that the market finally started to react to this heavy volume cluster and went as intended. So basically, this was the reason why I entered the short. Now let me talk about the stop loss and take profit placement here. I placed the stop in here. With swing trades, you just need to let the trade breathe, okay? So I placed the stop at the top of this rejection. Also, my stop is always behind heavy volume zone, like this one, because the heavy volume zone should act as a barrier. All right, so this is why the stop was here. And this blue line, which you see here, this was a take profit of risk reward ratio 1. When I'm trading, the minimal take profit I always take is at least risk reward 1, right? So that's why I have this blue line here, and I actually quit the trade a little bit below that because I wasn't sure whether the market will go into a rotation like this, then take profit in this place would make sense, right? At the bottom of the new rotation, right? I didn't know that the price will start a new downtrend, right? I knew it was either a downtrend or a rotation, so I didn't know which. That's why I quit the trade in here, actually a little bit below that blue line. So yeah, that's how the trade went. It was over 200 pips. So I hope you guys found this helpful. You can apply all this into your own trading, and if you guys want, and join us and trade with me and get your hands on my indicators, you want to visit my website. It is at traderdale.com, and if you click trading course and tools, and it will get you to this page. Currently, we are running a special sale. It's ending tomorrow, February 14th, and by then you can get a discount on all my educational and indicator packs right here. If you are interested in volume profile, you want to get this one, or if you are interested in getting all four, scroll down a bit. Here's a special combo where you can get all the 4 packs together for $6.97 until the 14th of February. Right, so thanks for watching, see you next time, and until then, happy trading!